Yeah.
How to remove a scratch for a stainless steel refrigerator. Now what we're gonna use is soap and water to clean up the any dirt or grease from the refrigerator. Okay. Use a soap and water, and then use a clean cloth to clean up. When the surface is clean, they'll find out the scratch, what it is, and you have to go with the grease. If the grease it's that way, so you have to go with the sand that way. If the grease this way, so you have to always go with the grease from the manufacturer. So you use you have this in your kitchen, so you can use the one you have in your kitchen. One of the it's called Bright for what dishwash. So you find out the scratch, and you go with the grease this way. Don't put too much pressure on the grease, and you're gonna see the scratch disappear right away. And then you have to get the pure wood, steel wood, to give you more the final step. Then it's gonna give you some shine, and then bring it back like it was new. So when you do that, no cream. So you can use any stainless steel cream to make it shine, and that's it. You had your refrigerator scratch gone, and it's gonna look like new. Okay, let's do that. Let's do it. We're gonna do the whole door right now because it's have a scratches. All refrigerators have a scratch everywhere. So we're gonna do the whole door together. Stop. Not too much pressure. Slab by slab, one top of the other. You have to keep going until you see the scratch go. So go back, go, overlap. You have to put a little pressure when the scratch is deep. You have to go more deep. You keep going. Slow, not push too much pressure on it, because you're going to make another scratch if you do a lot of pressure. So you got to go slow, slow. You have to keep doing it until the scratch is gone. So I see a scratch like this, so I keep doing it on this area more than the other area. When we finish with this, we're gonna give you how this side look, and how the other side look. So this one have a lot of scratch, and this one doesn't have. It's gonna have no scratch at all. So we continue sanding the door. Hey, what's up, buddy? Got to talk to you. You wanna work? This is the most area where it's more scratch because it's where you grab the door all the time, so you make more scratch on this side. I concentrated more on this part right here because this have a big scratch very deep, so I had to keep going there.
Is it still